Hello everyone, we are Group G and I am Jessica Castillo. I am here to discuss our topic about stretching exercises. So first, the definition of stretching exercises. Stretching is a physical exercise that requires putting a body part in a certain motion that will serve in the lengthening and elongation of the muscle or muscle group and enhance its flexibility, delaying impaired mobility associated with aging. Next, the purpose of stretching exercises. The purpose of stretching exercises is to improve flexibility, increase range of motion in joints, enhance circulation, reduce muscle tension, and alleviate stiffness. Regular stretching can also help prevent injuries, improve posture, and promote relaxation and stress relief. It's an important component of any fitness routine, whether before or after physical activity or as part of standalone stretching regimen. And last, the benefits of stretching exercises. The benefits of stretching exercises. It will decrease your risk of injuries and help your joints. And last, the benefit of stretching exercises. The benefits of stretching exercises. It will decrease your risk of injuries and help your joints move through your full range or motion. It increases muscle blood flow, enable your muscles to work motion effectively. So, here we will show you some demonstration and a little explanation of stretching exercises.
Firstly, stand with one hand behind your neck and your elbow pointing upwards. Then use your other hand to pull your elbow down. These stretches can be used to help relieve muscle tension and aid in injury recovery. Tricep stretches improve flexibility, lengthen muscles, and increase range of motion. Plus, they can help to prevent tight muscles, loosen connective tissue, and boost circulation, all while using no or minimal equipment.
Hello, ito ang reaching lateral side stretch. Sa lateral side stretch, una tumayo ng matuwid at maglapat ng paa. Pagkatapos, iakbang ang isang paa papalayo. Tapos itaas ang braso sa kabilang gilid, parang tinataas ang isang kamay para sumagot sa klase. Ngayon, i-incline ng konti ang katawan, pakanan habang inaabantayanan ang stretch sa gilid ng katawan. Ang purpose ng lateral side stretch ay palakasin at palakihin ang mga muscle sa gilid ng katawan, tulad ng obliques at iliopial. Ito ay nakakatulong sa pagpapalakas ng core at pag-improve ng flexibility sa hips at lower back. Ang benefits nito ay kasama sa ang pagbawas ng tension sa gilid ng katawan, pagpapalakas ng mga muscles na may kinalaman sa pagbalance at stability at pagpapaluwag ng hips at lower back. Makakatulong din ito sa pagpapalakas ng posture at pagpataas ng awareness sa paggalaw.
Arm shoulder stretch. So, isa to sa pinakasimpleng exercise or warm-up stretching na pwede natin gawin. So, bakit nga ba kailangan natin gawin to? Una is para hindi rin mabigla yung mga joints natin sa balikat and also, mas ma-improve yung flexibility ng katawan natin. Also, hindi magkaroon ng tension pagka nagbubuhat tayo.
Lateral neck stretch. Ang lateral neck stretch ay isang magandang exercise para palakasin at palawagin ang muscle sa leg. Para gawin ito, una, uupo o tatayo ng tuwid. Tiyak na ang likod ay naka-align. Ihiga ang isang kamay sa iyong hita o ilapat sa iyong tabi. Gamit ang iyong kamay sa kabilang banda, i-hold ang iyong ulo gently at incline ito pakaliwa hanggang sa maramdaman mo ang stretch sa leeg at sa balikat. Manatili sa posisyon na ito ng ilang segundo habang nagpapakalma at humihinga ng malalim. Baliktarin ang proseso sa kabilang panig para sa pantay na pag-stretch ng mga muscle sa leeg. Ang lateral neck stretch ay makakatulong upang alisin ang mga tensyon sa leeg, lalo na sa mga lugar na madalas magkasakit kapag nakaupo o magtatrabaho ng mahabang oras sa harap ng computer. Ito rin ay makakatulong sa pagpapalakas ng flexibility sa leeg at balikat, at maaari ring makatulong sa pagpapalakas ng pagdaloy ng dugo sa leeg at utak. Subalit, importante ring maging gentle sa paggawa nito at huwag ipilit kung mayroon kang any discomfort or pain.
Sitting single and hamstring stretch helps improve flexibility in the hamstrings, which can be beneficial for activities that involve running, jumping, or bending at the hips. It's important to perform the stretch gently and gradually increase the intensity to avoid injury.
Ankle rotation stretch. This stretch helps prevent stiffness and improves range of motion in the ankles. Ankle rotation improves ankle flexibility, mobility, and overall joint health by increasing the range of motion in the ankles. This increased flexibility helps prevent injuries such as sprains and strains by ensuring the ankle joint can move freely and absorb shock effectively during physical activities.
Quadricep stretches offer several advantages, including improved flexibility, reduced risk of injury, enhanced performance, alleviation of muscle tightness, balance and posture improvement, improved flexibility. Regular stretching of the quadricep helps increase flexibility in the thigh muscles, which can improve overall mobility and range of motion. Reduce risk of injury. Flexible muscles are less prone to strains and tears, so stretching the quadriceps can help reduce the risk of injury during physical activities and sports. Enhanced performance. Flexible quadriceps allows for better movement patterns and mechanics, leading to improved performance in activity like running, jumping, and squatting. Alleviation of muscle tightness. Stretching the quadriceps can help alleviate tightness and discomfort in the thighs, especially after periods of prolonged sitting or intense exercise. Balance and posture improvement. Stretching the quadriceps can contribute to better balance and posture by promoting proper alignment of the pelvis and spine. Incorporating quadriceps stretch into a regular exercise routine can contribute to overall muscular health and physical well-being.
The sitting wide leg inner thigh stretch is a yoga pose aimed at stretching the inner thighs. Here are the benefits of this stretch. Flexibility. It helps improve flexibility in the inner thigh muscles. Posture. Regular practice can contribute to better posture by loosening tight muscle that can pull the body out of alignment. Relaxation. This stretch can also promote relaxation by releasing tension in the inner thighs. Improve circulation. The stretching increases body flow to the muscle, aiding in recovery and overall health. Here's the advantages of this stretch. Accessible. Can be done anywhere without special equipment. Versatile. It can be modified to suit various fitness level. Target stretching. Specifically targets the inner thighs, which can be difficult to stretch with another exercises. Here are the disadvantages of this stretch. Overstretching risk. It's important to not push hard as overstretching can lead to injury. Individual variability. Some people may find this stretch uncomfortable or difficult due to tightness in the inner thigh muscles. Not, not a stretch exercise. While it improves flexibility, it doesn't directly strengthen the muscles. And here how to do that stretch.
The quad stretch targets the quadriceps muscles located at the front of the thigh. It involves standing upright and lifting one heel back towards your buttocks. But there are many ways you can modify a quad stretch to make it more challenging or easier. For example, if you struggle with balance during the stretch.
Neck extension stretching. So, ano nga ba pwedeng benefits nito para sa atin? First, it can improve our posture, especially if you're always looking down activities like using phone, computers, where our neck are always hindi nakatama yung posture. And it can increase range of motion ng neck natin para it can lessen the neck strain sa pag araw-araw nating mga ginagawa.